So the next part of this introduction is to kind of give you the course navigation and what are the objectives of this program and how best you can do this program. And that really pretty much what I wanted to share with you. So I kind of go back to the webinar that you guys joined before enrolling in the course and just kind of reiterate the most critical things that you need to do to get the maximum out of this course. Number one, I would say, is to make sure that you attend the live classes without fail, because that is one thing that will make you understand the subject, understand the interview process, understand a lot of things about how interviews happen in the in your field, whether it is pharmacovigilance or drug safety or clinical research or CDM, data science or data management. The job placement assistance that we provide and the interview process that you guys will go through is the same. The R&D of every pharmaceutical company, whether it is in US or in Canada, remains the same. So you have to make sure you attend the live classes. Yes, there are times that life will happen and you may not attend the classes. You may have to rely on the recordings for that class, but make it a priority to attend this class for 1 hour on Tuesdays, 1 hour on Thursdays. So if you prioritize it, it will add a lot of value to you, because in recordings, I believe you should use the recordings to review the content, to revise it, or kind of refresh your memory towards the end of the course and all those things. But if you are listening to a topic for the very first time, I would highly suggest you to do the live classes. Let me tell you why. We not only teach the subject in the live classes. There are some other students coming on board. Like for example, next week we have a Pharm D student by name Rishi. He got a job last week, I mean this week actually, yesterday. And he's going to be on the call and he's going to tell you what happened with him, what is his success story, how did he get a job, what happened in the course, what helped him, what did not help him. These are not things that will be recorded all the time and you will have the access to it right away. So it's very good if you attend the class. It's only 7 to 8. We'll complete the class by 7:40, and then from 7:40 to 8 it's all Rishi. So I'm not going to be there. I'll just guide the conversations, but you'll hear from him. And that's what, you guys are very new to us, and you're also new to the field. So it is good to hear from a student who is like probably 4 years more experienced than you, to kind of hear from their perspective. So I would highly encourage you to do this live classes. Don't do the recordings. That's my only thing. I don't want to even say the second thing to do, because the first thing is the first thing and I want to end it there. So if you can do that, that would be great. That's number one. Now, the objective of this course is job placement. I repeat again and again, for every module I do that. And whenever I normally take classes, I will start with the interview questions. I don't even think of doing my module with any other thing. Every module that we talk, we'll say these are the 3 things that you need to learn from this module from a practical standpoint, from an interview standpoint. We go through those 3 concepts. At the end of the module, we summarize it, encapsulate it, so it's all fresh for you. So that's the whole, how the whole tempo of the module goes. So these are the 2 things. Now, what you see on the screen here is the course LMS access. Now, what you have to know is to just how to navigate it. It's very straightforward. You will go to this. I mean, this will be emailed to you at the LMS access. LMS stands for Learning Management System. So what you do is you go into certificateprograms.medipharmsolutions.com. This will be emailed to you, and you log into your portal. You can hit the student login. And once you hit student login, the username password will be emailed to you. You will log in. And once you log in, this is an admin account. You see all the courses. But for you, if you are in drug safety and pharmacovigilance, you'll see only drug safety and pharmacovigilance. If you are in clinical research, you'll see only clinical research. If you are in CDM or data management, you'll see only data management. So you click on one of this, the link, and I would say just go into any of the module, just click on any of this module. It will open up that module for you. Now, for example, if you want to see the recording of exactly this topic that I'm taking, you will go to Introduction and Course Navigation, and you click on this module tomorrow. you will see how to access the recorded webinars. Here you will see this video. Tomorrow morning you will see it, and we are going to remove all these things because these are all to be updated. So we are only going to cover these two sections today: how to access recorded webinars and communications only via emails. Very simple topics. The rest of the topics will be removed, and you will have all these things as the course goes along, because we don't want to bombard you with all this new information and say, hey, this is a military camp and you need to do this. That's not how I want to do it. So I just want to keep it simple. Now, the next class is going to be next Tuesday. We're going to start on the 8th of August. We are not going to have anything. No, sorry. I'm sorry. I take back that word. The next class is on 3rd August, which is Thursday, the same time, 7 p.m. We're going to start on drug development process, part 1. So that module will be here, drug development process. So if you click on it, there's part 1 and part 2. So what you will see is there'll be a lot of videos. June, there is one. So what we do normally is we keep like at least 2 versions of the same topic. What you guys have to do is just pick up what is the bottommost video. That is the latest one. You don't need to go through all 5 of them. The content is the same. The only thing that will change from the top video and the bottommost, probably the color of my shirt. Other than that, everything remains the same. So don't go through all 5 topics or 5 videos. Just go with whatever is the bottommost one. Let us say here it would say August 2023, after the 3rd August 2023 webinar. So you just click on it, go through the module, and then you will also get the PPTs. You'll also get the PDFs, whatever is being taught in the class. All those PPTs and PDFs, whatever you need, will be emailed to you before. So you don't need to really take screenshots, and I see someone taking iPhones and taking pictures of me. You don't need to do all that. Everything will be emailed to you. There's nothing concealed. So in that way, you kind of click from each of the courses. You can watch the recordings the right next day. It is uploaded by the admin before noon. So you can kind of go into that section, and the email that you get, let us say on Thursday, you're going to get drug development process part 1. This is drug development process. So you see the module here, you go to that thing, and you will see the upload. And in that way, you complete all the modules. You can say mark complete, go to the assignment, do the assignment if you want to, or you can do all the assignments towards the end of the course. It's up to you. And once you complete all the assignments, as you can see here, there's 69 steps in 60 or 70 steps in pharmacovigilance. And once you complete all the steps, you just hit mark complete for every step. And then you take your final assessment. And here final assessment, you'll have 50 questions. You just have to get 40 right. They're multiple choice questions. Once you get this, you will get your certification, and that's a totally different video. You will get the recording of that, how to do it at the end of the course. Right now, just focus on getting it. Now, as I said, every month we are going to have discussion boards. Last Thursday of the month, we'll have a discussion board for drug safety. For clinical research is on last Thursday as well. For CDM, it's the last Wednesday. So this discussion boards happen across all modules, across all batches of students. So you're going to hear a lot of questions sometimes from other students, so you can get some benefit out of their questions, as well as your questions will also be answered. So it's all like discussion going on. And again, as I said, when Rishi comes on the call next week, Tuesday, his success story will be here. Like, these are success stories from our students. Some of it is already on YouTube and LinkedIn. You will see their name and their qualification. This is from a dentist. This is from microbiology, Divya Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, MD. Yeah, as you can see, there are so many folks who, we kind of at least get everyone here, so that as much as the content allows, we kind of do everything here. So we kind of post all those things. And if you can see Rishi as well after probably the next call, you will see that video here as well. So this is again for drug safety. Sometimes you see more for drug safety. Sometimes you will see the same for clinical research and some for CDM as well. So all these videos are uploaded here for you to see. So again, my whole point of doing this course navigation is to make sure that if you have any difficulty in going through any of the modules, the communication should happen through emails. I know that some of you have my number or the main office number, and we are closed at 5 p.m. Your classes are all in the evenings. The office is closed. There's not much the phone call will do. The best way to reach us after 5 is an email. And I basically watch those emails because I'm doing the classes pretty much every evening, Monday to Thursday. So if you have any questions, anything that you need to clarify, the fastest way to get it resolved is through emails. Just email one email, students@medipharmsolutions.com. Payment related, tuition related, payment related, tuition related, classes related, subject related, anything related to anything with MediPharm Solutions, one email, students@MediPharm Solutions. And from there, you get a lot of reminders. So reminders normally come on Mondays and Wednesdays for clinical research and drug safety. So for a Tuesday class, you get it on Monday. For a Thursday class, you get it on Wednesday, by the end of Wednesday. So if there is any class timing schedule changes, it's not 7 p.m., it's 8 p.m., you will be given at least 24 hours notice. For CDM, for data management, it's Mondays and Wednesdays. So you get a Monday email for Monday evening and a Tuesday email for Wednesday evening class. So that's how pretty much the communications happen. And for any reason, if you don't receive the link for the class, you can just send an email to students@MediPharm Solutions. They'll just send you the link if needed. So that's pretty much what I had for you today. Let me stop the recording, and then if you guys have any questions, I'll gladly assist you.